Hi, I'm going to go over the startup procedures for the LV800 green climber. First thing we're going to do is turn the key on. So turn the key to the on position. You'll see the computer load. You'll see the MDB bear, followed by the home screen. There's an e-stop button here. Make sure that that's pressed in. You give it a twist so it's the out position. It has to be in the out position in order for the machine to start. When you go over to the remote control, same thing. If this button's in the down position, you have to give it a twist so it's in the up position in order to start. Go to the right side of the remote, you'll see there's a green button. We're going to push that in and release it. You can see on the remote control itself, you're going to have a flashing green light and a flashing blue light. That means the receiver and the remote control have acknowledged each other. Go back to the right side again with the green button. You're going to push it in and release it. At this point, the remote and the receiver are connected and you can start the machine. Go to the left side, the top button is start, the bottom button is stop. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the top button for 4 seconds. You can look on the screen where the RPMs will pull up. And you can go ahead and use the regular functions on the remote. To stop the machine, you're going to press and hold the bottom left button. That's the correct way to start and stop the machine. You'll see that the green light and the blue light are still solid. That means at any time you can go back and press that top left button again to start the machine.